Looking back at some of the programs that we've run with suppliers and some of the specific workshop activities, I must say that first of all, Nasdaq's primary purpose of running this was to upskill Nasdaq people to deliver programs and upskill suppliers. But there have been tangible results, some very remarkable results at that. We would look at, for example, helping suppliers reduce their changeover times on machines. I can remember a spectacular result where the average changeover time for a particular process was 69 minutes. Now, by applying the fundamental tools and techniques, we reduced that to 4 minutes. 69 minutes down to 4 minutes, which in turn gave us a lot more time when they could produce parts that would make money. Another particular success we can cite is where we helped a supplier improve his right first time quality by 88%.
We've seen practical changes. We've seen improvements in productivity. We've seen improvements in setting times. We've seen improvements in people profitability and productivity. So they are tangible. There's no doubt. Documented, well documented, and we need to make these changes to become a world-class business.
On the 500-ton press, when we did the workshop on there, our main concern of lost downtime was due to tool changeovers. So we did an activity on the tool changeovers, and we brought the changeover time down from 104 minutes down to 30 minutes. We've increased the people productivity by 14%.
There's a great impact for the suppliers in the bottom line when you look at these improvements. Obviously, if we're improving their right first time, so the first time they make it is the correct quality, it means they don't have to rework it, they don't have to use more hours of their valuable labour resources to make another one, and of course they're not consuming the raw materials required. And furthermore, of course, they could be using that time to make another part for another customer and make more money.
It is infectious. I mean, it's amazing how infectious it can be. I had an example for it when we originally did it, that they decided to do it in one of the offices. I mean, they decided to do a 5C7 wastes, and we found that one girl had sufficient Bic biros to last for 105 years or something ridiculous. The idea of the 5Cs and the 7 wastes is not new. It's just reiterating absolutely sensible ways of working. It becomes infectious. If the enthusiasm is shared, it just flows through the rest of the plant. Of course, you have to also put a change agent there to make sure that we're measuring and continuing to measure so we can hold up the successes.